YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe, Math TikTok PH. Thank you so much!
Hello students, happy learning. So ngayong araw po na ito ay magkakaroon po tayo ng Quarter 2 Second Periodical Test Review. So at the end of the presentation, kayo po ay matulungan. So ano po yung nakapaloob sa ating periodical test review ngayon? So ito po yung mga naituro ng inyong grade 8 mathematics teachers. This is under of K-12 curriculum. So nandyan po yung ating mga lessons from the most essential learning competencies. So from week 1 to week number 8 of the second quarter. So with that, so let's start. So may I request everyone to get a piece of paper or papel, ball pen, and your calculator para makasabay kayo sa ating pagre-review. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. So you are going to choose the capital letter of the correct answer. Ready? From number 1 to 3. Continue for number 4 to 6. Ready? Next, we have numbers 7 to 9. Ready? Continue for number 10 to 12. Ready? Ready for number 13 to 15. Next, we have number 16 to 18. Ready? Continue for number 19 to 21. Next, from 22 to 24. Ready? Continue for number 25 to 27. Ready? Continue number 28 to 30. For number 31 to 32, ready? From number 34 to 35, ready? 36 to 37. Next, number 38 to 40. Ready. For number 41 and 42, ready. Next, 43 to 44, ready. Next, number 45 to 46, ready. And for the last numbers from 47 to 50. So, ready? Okay, so with that, so dyan po nagtatapos ang ating review ngayon for the grade 8 students para po ito ay makatulong sa inyong pagre-review. This coming second periodical test this December, pwede natin balikan sa ating YouTube channel. So with that, just keep on learning and keep on learning everyone. Bye-bye and keep safe.